is R, and I'm Miss R. Well, today I want to show you something that I have been doing, and I guess the third time is the charm. I have been making like little trees to sit on my patio to upgrade my, backyard and my sitting area. But I ran across a different type of material that really made a difference in the trees, and I'm going to show you right now what it is. Guys, look at that tree. Look at that spiral tree. And you know what, guys? I'm not even done working on it. But I like this tree better than the other trees that I have made. Now, I'm going over this tree with a different type of moss. At first, I used the moss from the Dollar Tree. And then I went to Michael's and I picked up some preserved reindeer moss. And guys, it comes, in different colors like that. And it has made a dramatic difference. I'm almost done with my tree. I got some more branches to put in there. But, let me see. Look at this piece here. See this right here? This is how the tree was looking with the other moss and everything. But, if I continue to make these trees, I'm only going to use the reindeer moss. It comes in balls like this. And I'm telling you guys, this is really pretty. I mean, the more that I fill it in, the better it is looking. So I'm just, putting it on there. On one hand, banding it again. And, you can spread it out if you want. But basically, you guys know how to do it. And you just fill it in. And I'm going to go around all of this area here. And any other area, like up in here, I'm just going to fill it in. And guys, when doing this project, please wear gloves because this glue will burn the crap out of you. I got this moss on sale at Michael's. At first, I think they wanted $19 for it, but I got it for $9 with a coupon. See how it's just filling in and looking so nice? I know for a fact I'm gonna make me some more of these trees, especially like for the house around Christmas time, and just put lights on them instead of putting up big trees. Yeah. Now here's an area up here that I think I'm gonna fill in. So I'm just going to continue to go around the whole tree and cover it up, but I really like the way it's looking, guys. In my opinion, I really believe that this moss makes it look real. It really does. I'm just going to go all up in there, and cover it up. And like I said before, I used dollar store pool noodles, but this time I did not split them. I left them whole and took some tape and just wrapped and taped and wrapped and taped, because I wanted my spirals to really, stick out. So I had to really like bend that pool noodle and make that S curve. So as you see, I'm just going to keep working and put, a piece up in here, you know. So I'm just going to fill all this in. I think I want to fill this piece in right here. And what I did to make it stretch was the mothballs come in, balls. So I just stretched them out to make it spread. And one bag did it. Well, one bag is doing it. Put a little right there too. Sorry for the terrible filming. I'm, using one hand. See how I stretch that over? That's what you do, stretch it. Stretch it over. Or you can pre-stretch it before you put it on your part. But like I said, I'm using one hand. Guys, the first tree I made, it was just too big. It was too tall, and at the base of it, I had used a big pot. And even though I got all of it filled up, it was just too much to deal with. So I just went and got one of these little dollar store pots. And you got to make sure you center it right, or it's going to keep toppling over. But if you center it right, correctly, you'll have a beautiful tree. Now, when I finish doing all of this, I'm going to go get some Thompson water seal spray, and I'm going to waterproof it. And that is about it. This tree is, I'm going to get some more sticks, maybe, and grow in between there. But other than that, and bend this piece back in. But other than that, it's done. I love it. I would think that this was real. I really would think that this was a real tree. Look at that. Look at that. And just go find some sticks and just, stick the sticks in there all the way up the pole, and then you'll be able to position it. All right, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.